I was home alone. What would I do? No way.
What do I usually do when nobody's home? Hey Kristen, where are we going?
Come on, we're gonna go play.
We're gonna go.
We're gonna go play with Tanner, right?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Come on.
Wait, Kristen, where are we going?
We're gonna play out in this plain field.
The field?
Yeah, now we'll be right back. Come on, Savannah.
Okay, we'll be right back.
We'll be right
Bye. Where are you going?
back.
Wait. Where you go? Where are you? I can't. I'm stuck.
What have I always wanted to do? Mess up a stranger's house.
I didn't date that girl, I swear. Stop torturing me, Mr. Charles. Yes, I love you.
We got.
I won that poker game last night. I want my money.
Have you seen Savannah anywhere?
There she is.